The SRS airbag light in your Nissan Note indicates a problem with the airbag system. This warning light appears on your dashboard to alert you that something in the supplemental restraint system needs attention. Resetting it yourself might seem like a quick fix, but it's crucial to understand that doing so without diagnosing the underlying issue can be dangerous and mask serious safety problems. Ignoring this warning light can result in airbag malfunction during a collision, putting you and your passengers at risk. Before attempting any reset, visually inspect wiring, connectors under the seats, and the clock spring, which is the rotary connector under the steering wheel, for any obvious damage or loose connections. Common issues include corroded connectors or faulty seatbelt buckles. Remember, this light is your car's alert to get checked. If you've checked for obvious issues and want to attempt a reset, here's a basic procedure. First, use an OBD2 scanner to read and clear any diagnostic trouble codes related to the airbag system. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine and select the Airbag or SRS menu on your scanner. Clear any found codes. If a scanner isn't available, you can try cycling the ignition. Turn to on, wait 10 seconds, turn off, and repeat 3 times, then start the engine. If the light stays off after driving a short distance, the reset may be successful. However, if the light returns, it signifies a persistent problem requiring professional attention. Remember, resetting the light is not a solution. It's a diagnostic step. Always consult a certified mechanic for airbag-related repairs, as improper handling can void warranties or lead to legal issues. For deeper diagnostics, Nissan-specific software like Consult 3 is required.